25 years ago, I realized that to clean Oriental rug from PetPeePee, I have to have a completely different cleaning process. So, I decide to build a new cleaning process. A cleaning process that's invented in the great America. And only in America, you're having this kind of cleaning process. A cleaning process that's clean your Oriental rug through. Exactly the same way how the PeePee traveled through the Oriental rug, I clean the Oriental rug through. So let's see how this is work. I flood the rug with a Dead Sea cleaner, then it's odor-free organic, and the vacuum from under the rug. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea pull everything through the rug. All the PeePee, the crystal, places that nobody can reach it. Not the scrubber, not the centrifuge machine, not the dust buster, not even the enzyme can remove the urine crystal from the nuts and all the foundation of the rug. And because the Dead Sea cleaner is odor-free, upon delivery, put your nose on the rug whatever you want. Guarantee no trace of any odor. I hate deodorizer or enzyme or chemical smell. The Dead Sea minerals is odor-free completely. It means upon delivery, I never deposit any unpleasant smell into your rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.